Today, Chef Marcello Ferrarini just came to visit us and actually asked me a question. He said, "But do these sound-absorbing panels work?" An impromptu testimony on the occasion of
podcast Provincial Archistar by Federica Zama. I know that you restaurateurs think about the interesting and insightful and incredibly fascinating culinary industry.
these panels work. I saw it a bit as a provocation. A provocation.
In many restaurants, seen panels, but they don't really... There's much of a difference. I'm with the number one and trust them.
But rather than trust, let's go see. Now let's enter our reverberating room that has acoustics. Perfect, not to say terrible. It's all porcelain stoneware. There's porcelain stoneware everywhere, and then we have a concrete floor. The door is also made of stoneware, and this is... The acoustics of this room are terrible. It echoes. It feels like being in a cave. If there were many of us, it would be even worse. When the waiter arrives, he can't hear the order. Exactly. Now let's go ahead and install the panels and see how the sound changes, because they install them here. Yes, we'll put them up right away on the spot. Exactly right here, right now, immediately. We'll place the panels on 3 walls that it would be equivalent to the floor area or the ceiling. There is a difference in applying the
wall or ceiling panels. The panels should be distributed very evenly and uniformly
in the environment to ensure that the acoustics are uniform from all directions, so not concentrate them on one side. Many times they are placed on the ceiling because it is the most free surface.
The mix would definitely be the best. If someone absolutely has to renovate or design a brand new dining space or even a dining area, and if, in case you have a small space not with great acoustics, that is the perfect combination for both, perhaps even indeed.
Ceiling on the wall. We run simulations, so there's calculations made. First, to understand how many panels to install. They can also be customized, branded, so
they could become paintings. You didn't put down that many in the end, did you? No, practically.
If we put them on the ceiling, we will cover the entire ceiling. I am speaking now as before, let's say. Same things, we are in the same positions, in the same environment. I have to say the voice is still
beautiful, clear and crystalline and powerful, strong. But there is no reverberation effect, no echo. Cave effect, they actually work. And then you can also hear more quietly, meaning the volume has also decreased slightly. The level. The voice is nice and fluid, it's not like it has lowered and I have to get closer to understand. So completely removed it. No, it actually cleaned the sound. This is the function of the
sound absorbing panels. You gave an ideal explanation. All the benefits that this product brings.
They contribute to well-being, to the well-being of people, the clients and the staff. Also, great job. I was definitely absolutely hesitant, but you convinced me. We convinced him. Great, bye.